Okay, guys, good night. So today was a very strong day, as this has been from the from the market, from the stocks earnings. Okay, remember the stock earnings is very strong. Is the one of the biggest companies, are giving results. So the market is very volatile, especially the NQ and the ES. ES is below 4,000. So we are into the very high volatility again. Okay, so just wanted to show you over here. This is the auto trend indicator. Okay, some of you guys might already own it. So this indicator has a plot. Okay, for example, over here we have a higher high, then we made a lower high here. Give me a second here. Okay, so the market, once this is done, okay, so we have a downtrend. Okay, so market can we definitely know that the market is trending down. Okay, so once you get the reversal, you can have permission, if we have this the super trend trending down. Okay, and the auto trend is already plotting the reversal, so we can take this trade. Okay, what you can do with markers. Okay, you say, for example, I want to put it on automatic. Okay, so automatic means that it will take every trade. Okay, but what happens if you put it, let's say I have you need to understand how these things work. Once you say, for example, I don't want to trade too much. Okay, because you're maybe doing a 50K account, which is very small for minis. Okay, so if you're doing 100Ks account, you can do a 2 lots. Okay, but if you're doing if a 50K account, is one mini is almost too much. You need to go to micros and do the equivalent. Okay, so for example, you do for example, you enable the filter so it can trade semi-automatic mode. Okay, we put both on semi-automatic mode. Okay, so it wins. If it wins $200, okay, it will stop trading. Okay, so what happens, you can enable it again. For example, if you make $200 that quickly, okay, you're on the way to making your goal for the day. Remember, this is not artificial intelligence, guys. These things you need to try to enable them where you think that it's important for you to enable them. Okay, sometimes there's times that the market is extremely not logical in what it's doing. Okay, so you gotta be very careful, very aware of what you are trading. Okay, because these guys are really good in fooling people. So you gotta be careful with that. Okay, so right now this filter is not enabled. Okay, if you wanted to have it enabled, that these guys that you bought this strategy, okay, so send me an email or Skype, and I can send you the template. Okay, so and a video on how it works and how it's been coded. Okay, so that way you can know what it's doing. For example, you see here, okay, what I said before. The thing is about trading, guys, I have something to tell you. The majority of traders just want to have profitable systems, but they don't really care about how much protect the money. Okay, remember, when you give a 50K account, you're just giving $2,000 to trade. If you get a 100K account, you're just having $3,000 to trade. That's the truth. It's the drawdown. Okay, no matter what. Okay, sometimes they give you $2,500. That's it. Okay, and if you lose $300, in X amount of time, you're gonna lose the account. Once you get in a hole, it's impossible to recoup the account. The account is blown up. Okay, so you need to be aware of what you're trying to do. Okay, so for example, here, this is one trade. Okay, this is one trade. Just disable the strategy, but you don't need to disable it. You just need to put it on semi. Okay, once it makes a trade, it will stop trading. Okay, it will stop trading. For example, this was a short. It will stop trading shorts. Okay, it will be disabled like this. You will see this over here. It means that it's disabled. You need to enable it again if you want to continue trading. Okay, if you click here, you continue trading. Okay, so if let's say if a long is taken, it will look like this. Okay, then you need to re-enable it again if you want to continue trading, if the target is still not met. Okay, if the target is met, you need to change account and re-enable the strategy. It's very easy. You don't need to reset the chart. You don't need to refresh the chart. There's nothing. I will show you if you need me to show you how to do that. Okay, so this is, for example, a higher low. This trade, you know, this was a long trade, was a winner. Okay, over here. As you can see the dots here, this swing was made here. 5 buys, 5 bars after is made here. You can make one trade and that's it. Okay, so right now there's no filter. This is just if you want to have more filters, you know, because there's traders that really are struggling. They're afraid of this type of environment and they don't want to overtrade. Okay, and so let's see how it does today. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the strategy has been enabled to trade 1 minute after the open. Still 7:30. So we had these signals. It didn't take them because the timing is here, over here, waiting start time. It's 7:31 my time. Once it hits 7:31, it's gonna start trading. Okay, it was a loser, 128. Okay, lost this one. You see, we're using very tight stops. Okay, it was a winner. You see these blue lines from the tape. Okay, when you see this is the tape, if 80% of the tape is bullish, it's gonna print blue lines on the chart. Oh, I'm sorry, as I put it, remember I put it on semi, so I need to place them on automatic again. So it stopped trading. Okay. Automatic, I'm gonna put long and short. That's why it didn't took this short trades. Okay, profit reach 249 for the reversal. We'll wait for the momentum. And the step MA is yellow, it will not trade. It needs to have a either green or red step MA. Okay, that's it. Made two longs here. It would have taken this short here, but I disabled the strategy. Okay, so okay, we got profit reach is more than $500. Okay. Okay, so like I said before, if you are trying to trade automatic, this is the way to go. Correlation is a very strong pattern. Okay, if you want to include the trend lines, you see these green dots here and the red. Okay, so these are filters that will enable the strategy to trade. Okay, so for example, over here, let's see, example over here, this is a short filter up to here. Okay, so this could have been taken, this short here, this could have been a very nice short, would be the winner. Okay, but there's so many things, guys, that you know, that you need to do that are logical for the strategies to work. You just need to have a little bit of more not exposing yourself too much. Okay, don't expose yourself too much. If you're feeling that you're not ready for, you know, doing the minis, go and trade with the micros. Okay, you can do 2 micros, 4 micros, okay, and 6 micros. Remember that one mini is 10 micros. Okay, so there's many ways, and you can put many targets. Okay, so for example, I use over here in the stop strategy, I use a power trail. Okay, so every time the market moves in my favor, I will really tight the stop, you know, because I don't want to have those big stops and you know, just waiting for the market to, you know, just to blow me up. The thing is over here to, you know, preserve the capital. That's your main goal, to preserve the capital. It's not, you know, to just be hanging around, you know. It's not that way. You need to be aware, you need to be prepared. Okay, so that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Okay, so if you're like interested, you can always contact me. There's the link in the description. You can contact me by Skype. Okay, so I will give you the template. I will give you the indicators, send you setups, ATMs. Okay, so it's doable, guys. If you think that you're trading manual and it's not for you, you're just breaking accounts. Okay, so go automate it. Okay, is the way to go.